Alright, so we are on clickbank.com. I will leave a link below in the description. So I'm on Clickbank right now. If you don't have an account, you just create an account. Once you put your information, you'll be automatically approved to start to promote the offers. Now I'm gonna log in into my account. Once you're logged in, first thing you have to do is to click on Marketplace, and then you click to find all the products available. There are 3,768 products right now on Clickbank. We are going to sort by gravity. Gravity is simply a measurement saying how many people are successfully able to make sales. I don't know if it's exactly that, but more the gravity is higher, it means more people are able to make sales with this product. So right now, Leptitox is the highest converting offer on Clickbank. We are going to use this one, but you can see the gravity score here is 527. This is really a huge gravity score. Usually, a rule of thumb, if the gravity is higher than 50, I believe it's enough to say that the product worth promoting it. So you see, these are the gravity scores. So as I said, 50 is enough to promote a product. Now, each product have these a specific page for affiliate marketer like me and you. These pages give you tools to be able to promote more successfully the product. So we are going to take as an example Leptitox. So Leptitox is weight loss offer. I would strongly suggest you to take a look at the sales page and see what it is talking about, and watch the video, or maybe you can read more about the product so you know exactly what you are promoting. Now, next step, we are going to take a look at the affiliate page. Usually you put your email, a name and email, you click on give me access. Once you're logged in, this is the affiliate page. You have a bunch of tools right there to promote. You have email swipe if you have an email list to send the offer to. You have banners to put on your website. You have images, keywords if you are doing a paid promotion or SEO. You have ad images for your paid ads. You have a bunch of tools, article to put right on your blog. So you have a lot of content to put on your blog right away. So now, next step is to promote this offer. You go back on Clickbank, you click on promote, and then you click on generate uplink. This is the link. Once people click on that link and they buy, the system will be able to recognize that the buyer was recommended by you, and you'll get a commission. Here, the average commission is $61 each time that someone is making a sale. Maybe they will spend a little less or more, but on average you will make $61. But the less that you will make on that offer is $24. Since it's 50% commission, the product, the least expensive package is $50. The least expensive package is $49. So at 50%, you are on $24.50 on commission. But since they are upsell, it means that once they buy the least expensive package, they will be offered to upgrade to a more expensive package. So, and so on and so forth. So if they buy a more expensive package, you will meet the initial sale of $24.50, and then half of the next package they will be offered to if they buy. That's why your commission can be higher than $24, but on average, people are making $61 per sale. Now, next step is to put your link somewhere to promote that offer. From my experience, the best way to do it is to put it on a blog. Don't send people directly to the offer, because most of the platform will not allow you to send directly to the offer. Some will, but with my experience, it's easier to send people to a blog post where you explain a little bit more about the product and then you put your link. It's easier this way. People know about the product before they click on the offer, and your conversion will be better this way. So if you don't have a blog, you can easily create a free blog using 3 of the best platform available on the market. You have first WordPress.com. You see here, product blogs, it's free. You can start your blog. There are a bunch of packages or templates that you'll be able to use right away. You see, there's a lot of blog already set up. You just open an account right there, and then you choose a layout and you put your blog post right there. Another one that people use, it's free as well, is Weebly. Weebly, you see themes, you see beautiful blogs and themes. All you have to do is to select one and sign up and create one for free. You see pricing, 0, and you have access to create your own blog as well. The last one I will talk about is Wix. You have probably heard about them. They are doing heavy advertising right now. As well, you can choose from a lot of templates. It's free as well. You can start creating your blog. You can go through the 3 options I gave you and select the one that you find that suits you best with the best design. I don't recommend one in particular. It depends on your taste, but you have 3 options to create your blog for free. Once you have your blog created, all you have to do next is to go back on Clickbank and with the affiliate tools there, for example, with Clickbank, you can take these articles and put them right there on your blog, and then at the end of the article you just put your link that you got when creating it with this tool. Remember that link? You can just put the link on your blog post. But this link is pretty ugly. People maybe won't trust you. It's a lot of strange characters. People are sometimes a bit scared. You can use a tools called um, link shortener. Bitly is the most popular one. All you have to do is to put your link, promote. You take your link right there and you go back on Bitly and you short your link this way. So this look way better than this long link. So that's it. Once you have your link, you put it on your blog post. Now it's time to advertise your product. I will show you 3 different ways to advertise it. The first one is using Quora. I don't know if you have heard about Quora, but Quora is a platform where people are asking questions and other people are answering those questions. So on my example, we are going to promote Leptitox. One of the easiest way is to put a question, what is the product? On this case is what is Leptitox? Someone has already done it, but you can still do it. But here it is. The person just put what is Leptitox and put a link to his blog post. Now on the blog post, you see this is an article, Leptitox review. The person is doing a review on the offer, and then when they click on add to cart, they will be redirected to the offer. You see, this is exactly what I said. They are doing a blog post, and once you click on the link on the blog post, you will be redirected to the offer. You can also answer the questions. You see there are 5 answers. People are putting their links as well, answering the questions. You can also you see these are related questions. You can go through these questions and answer them with your link. You can also go and type something like how to lose weight fast. What is the best way to lose weight fast? Again, you go through these questions and you answer with your link. But be careful. Don't be too spammy. Don't do it too often per day, because Quora have a system to recognize people that are doing every promotion of their blog or their links. If you do it too often or too aggressively, they will notice you and maybe send you a warning or even ban you. Don't be careful. Don't do it too often per day. So now this is the first method. You go through Quora, you put what is the product name, and you put your link, you answer the question, or you put related questions like weight loss questions, and you answer the questions and you send people to your blog. This is the first method. Another method is to go on Facebook and you are going to look for weight loss groups. Now, all you have to do is to join as many groups as you want related to the offer. And once you have joined the group, all you have to do is to write something like how to lose weight fast. Please visit my blog. I have a new method working really well. And then you put your link right there. That's it. And you submit your post. You do this on many groups as you can, and then people will start to go on your group to see what methods that you are talking about. This is the second method. The third one is to go on Google and you will type weight loss forums. Now here you have a bunch of forums. People are asking questions. People are networking about one subject. Here the subject is weight loss. So you see there's a lot of members, a lot of interactions, a lot of activity. You click on any of these topics and you're trying to give some helps. You see, all you have to do is to answer these questions. You have to obviously to subscribe to these forums and you'll be able to register an account, and then you'll be able to put your link as an answer to their questions or their concerns. So we have talked about 3 different ways to promote these offers. If you do this consistently, you put answer in forums, you put answers in Quora, you put your blog you on different Facebook groups, you should be able to generate income within 24 hours or 48 hours. If you didn't make money within 48 hours, just go and do the same thing, and I'm 100% sure that you will be able to make a sale. So that's it for today.
I hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope you have learned something new today. Please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell if you want to have more video from this channel. And don't forget, as I always say, if you have the knowledge and you don't apply, it means nothing. You have the knowledge, now it's time to take action. Have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching.